Curled up on your chest, the little furble purrs softly, warmth melting into your heart. Pure love in a tiny, sleepy bundle. Curled up on your chest, the cat purrs softly warm, trusting, and full of love.
There's nothing better than a goodnight kiss.
Curled up on your chest, the cat purrs softly warm, trusting, and full of love.
Cats might be quite mischievous out there, but they can be babies to those they love.
Curled up on your chest, the little furble purrs softly warm, trusting, and full of love.
Peaceful moments that melt your heart. Two cats hug as if they never want to let go, a friendship to be admired.
Curled up on your chest, the cat purrs softly warm, trusting, and full of love.
For cats, hugs are never enough. As the owner sleeps, the cat becomes a cuddle pillow, an unexpected function.
The funniest moment is still ahead. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it.
warm, fluffy weight rests gently on your chest, your cat, curled up, purring softly. Their tiny paws need your shirt, eyes half closed in pure contentment. In this quiet moment, love needs no words. Curled up on your chest, your cat purrs softly, a warm little cloud of love. Nothing feels more comforting than this gentle, trusting cuddle. Curled up on your chest, the cat purrs softly, a tiny heartbeat of love.
The way he gently touches is really adorable.
Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
Hey Google, stop music.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? What are you doing?
Your name is Fuzzy.
Fuzzy Cat is a perfect boyfriend replacement.
So Jeff, if you're watching this, we're gonna have to break up because this is so much better. Oh, sorry, go ahead. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. It was love.
A fluffy little warmth curls up on your chest, purring softly like a lullaby. Their tiny paws knead gently, as if saying, "You are my safest place." The cat snuggles up on its owner, purring contentedly, creating a warm, cozy bond.
Next to its owner, the cat can sleep soundly, no matter how unique its position is. how can you sleep without me? All right, this spot looks nice.
A soft purr, warm for your cat's love, is the sweetest comfort.
After a long day of playing outside, nothing is better than coming home to a hug from Mom. Cat never leaves its young master's side for a second. That's true love.
The cat curls up on its owner's chest, purring softly a warm, loving weight that feels like home.
No matter what he's dreaming about, it's surely sweeter now.
Which moment did you like the most? Comment below so everyone can discover and enjoy it together.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to give me more motivation to create more adorable content. Which moment made you laugh the most? Comment below so we can laugh together again. And make sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss the next hilarious cat videos.